Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. If this is your first time here, welcome aboard. My name's Josh Parker, your Austin local realtor, here to help you relocate, find that new home, sell that existing home, or if you're an investor, make that investment into Austin real estate. So today's topic: are Austin prices going to continue to rise? That is what everybody wants to know. They want to know for how long, and is it a good time to buy? So today we're going to talk about exactly that, and we're going to throw in the mix of some areas that if you're a first-time buyer, an investor, looking to jump into the real estate world, we're going to talk about those areas. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, make a comment below, let me know what you guys want to hear about. Here we go. So everyone always tends to ask a couple big questions. Are we in a bubble, and are prices going to continue to rise? I talked about the bubble in the last video. Today I want to talk about the price, and is it going to continue to rise? Is it going to level out? What is the market going to do? So let's talk about why I think prices are going to continue to rise for at least another year or more, if not longer than that. So if you look at the surrounding counties, you got Bastrop County, Williamson County, Hays County, and Travis County. All of these areas are continuing to grow, along with businesses moving to Austin, moving their corporations to Austin. Now, I've talked about all the big names that are coming here. That influx of business and employees moving to the state of Texas, moving to Austin, are going to cause the numbers to rise. Now, what's that mean for the Austin folks that have been here forever? Well, it's going to make it more challenging to get into the home because California, New York, a lot of those places are coming in with some big money. And that's not a bad thing for Austin. Hopefully it fixes the roads that are so jacked up, public transportation options. So there's some benefits to that. But if you look at the price increase from last year to this year, they've gone up anywhere from 10 to 25, 26%. If you look at the amount of people moving into Austin proper, that number is, I think, over 100 people a day. So with the supply being very low, under a month, and the demand being very high, you're going to get price increases, and it's not going to slow down. So let's look at those 4 counties and where their median home price is at this moment. In February, which is the latest update from ABOR, Travis County was sitting at an average price of $470,000. Williamson County was at $364,000, Hays County $301,000, and Bastrop County about $275,000. So, if you're a new home buyer and you want some opportunity to jump into a home, think about Bastrop County, think about Williamson County or Hays County. The further outside of Austin you go, the cheaper the homes are going to be. Or you can get more for the money. Maybe you want some space, maybe you want a half acre or an acre or whatever the case is. You can afford more the further out you go. If you want to be in the mix of things in Austin, you have a couple options there. There's some great neighborhoods that allow you to get in that mid-4 range. You also have condos as an option. Those home prices aren't skyrocketing as much as a single family home. So if you're wanting to be in the mix, a condo is a good opportunity. I just looked at several this last week in the low 400s. I've seen them in 300s, even down to 200s, depending on what part of town you're looking in. But it's not as competitive as the single family homes. We're not hitting a bunch of multiple offers. They're sitting on the market a little bit longer than single family, and so it's a great option if you're wanting to be down in the mix of downtown Austin, around all the venues, and music festivals and everything else that should start opening up this year into next year. Let's talk to you investors. If y'all are from out of state looking to invest in the Austin market, now is a great time because, like I said, prices are going to continue to rise for the foreseeable future. And there's some great areas of the suburbs that are bringing in great rents. And so if you're looking at investments, here are a couple of my top areas that I would consider. I would go east out towards Manor, Elgin area, Bastrop, Taylor. You got Jarrell, which is north of Georgetown. All these areas are booming right now. You got Tesla going out in between Del Valle and Manor, which are going to make that rental market even stronger than it already is. But on average, what we're seeing is anywhere from $1 to $1.40 a square foot on rentals. Now, can it go above that? Absolutely. But for a good frame of reference, figure that $1 to $1.40 range and know that you can pick up homes out in Jarrell in the low 200s still. They're first time buyer homes. Pretty plain and simple on the inside. They still got some great features as far as granite countertops, garage, backyard space, but you can find them in the low 230s. If you go to Taylor, you're going to be in the mid 2s to low 3s. Manor, you're going to be closer to 275 to 400 to jump into them. Bastrop, you're going to be back down into the 300s. And you also have Buda Kyle in towards San Marcos, and those are going to play in those 300 range. But the rental markets are very strong in all of these areas. So as an investor looking to jump into this market, you have a great opportunity, a wide range of location that you can choose from. And if you want to get into some condos, as long as they allow rentals or short-term rentals, there's plenty of opportunities in that as well. So at the end of the day, yes, prices are going to continue to rise. It's not slowing down at any point soon. So give me a call today. Let's set up a Zoom, let's set a call, an email, whatever's easiest for you to talk about the different areas of Austin that you want to get into so that we can help you invest in that first home, 10th home, investment property, sell a first home, and find that dream home of yours. Give me a call today. We'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that comment and like button. Hit the subscribe. Don't miss out on any other shows. We'll see you next time.